Arrive in style with this 2017 Dodge Durango GT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, audio memory, radio data system, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, rear air conditioning, rear window defroster, memory seat, power driver seat and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.